Happy National Ceiling Fan Day, everybody. Sorry I'm doing it this late, but let's begin with the ceiling fans in my house as the current setup. I have another video that I haven't uploaded yet. It's been a while ago now, but I still need to upload it, so. Anyway, starting off in my bedroom, we have a Harbor Reef Belhaven from 2004. I got this one at the Greenfield, Indiana Habitat Restore. I do have a video of this fan. I will make a video of this fan at some point, so stay tuned for that. There's the light. Alright, next fan. In here we have a Concord Phantom Hugger. I'm going to try to make this quick. And there's that. Up here we have an SMC. Laguna spinner. There's a fan in here, but I'm not going to show you that. It's a Crest Hugger. Out here we have a Halsey G vent. This is the garage. We have a Halsey G vent over here and a Crest G vent over there. This one's on high, that one's just off. Alright, moving on. Down here in the kitchen is another Belhaven. Like the one in my bedroom. Except we've had this one a little bit longer. This one came from the Bloomington Restore. Bloomington, Indiana Habitat. Showing this one has. Okay. Moving on. Down here in this great room area, we have a unknown branded hugger. I think this is a Caribbean Electric with cane. This is the final fan I'm showing. We have some other fans down here in the ground here. We have a Dixie Bell, some Gulf Coast Dixie Bells. That one's white, all white. This one's white and brass. This one's off white. This one is white and brass. We have an ornate fan of some sort. I don't know the model. And the blades for the white and brass Dixie Bell over there, and one of the blades for this ornate thing. And I have some other fans, but I didn't show you them, so that'll be a separate video. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.